We also have this other section called variable base amounts, which is for the escalations and taxes. Back in the data entry form, you had the ability to say the operating would increase at 3% a year, but what if you don't think it's going to increase linearly at 3%? Variable base amounts lets me vary the base amounts in any year of the deal. Check it out. Right now for escalation 1, we said it was $6 and it was going to increase every year at 5%. But what if I got my operating capped, or what if I didn't think it was going to increase linearly at 5%? I could click on Go to Reports, I could go to my variable base amounts, and for any of my escalations or taxes, I'm going to use escalation 1. I click on it, and it takes me to the variable base amounts. Now, when I said it was going to be $6 increasing at 5%, you'll see it shows $6. Every year it increases by 5%. These are all the ensuing base amounts. But I could come here, and instead of $6.30 next year, what if I got it capped at $6.10, $6.20, $6.30? Then it could go up at 5% every year. Variable base amounts lets me vary the base amounts in any year of the deal. Because I can make manual changes here, I have the same manual change indicators in restore functions. Click on Restore, and it'll restore the 5% increases in every year. You can do the same thing for escalation 2 and real estate taxes. Now I know I'm throwing a lot out at you, but there's only 4 sections in ProCalc. It starts at the data entry form. That's where you enter 98% of your data. From there it goes to the variable base amounts where you can go and make certain kinds of manual changes. Then it goes to the monthly projections where you can go and make certain kinds of manual changes. And the result of all 3 of those sections is what appears on the cash flow report.